Go to the UiPath Studio. Click on the transactional process. Email automation. Click on that open main workflow. Remove this flowchart. Drag a sequence. Set as start node. See. If you want to automate that email, first of all, email related activities available or not, you have to search it. Type that mail. Mail related activities are available here. These are the mail related activities are available. See, mostly we are sending that mails and then reading that mails. Okay. So in the email automation, we are sending that mails and then reading that mails and then download that attachments. Right now, click on that manage packages. In this manage packages, say UiPath.mail.activities. So by default, that UiPath.mail.activities package already installed. So that's why. So once if you type that, so mail automatically mail related activities filtered here. Mail related activities filtered here. Right now, observe this one. See. Mostly we are using that Outlook in organization. So and I will show you that both Outlook as well as so other mail servers purpose we are using that SMTP. Both two activities I will show you right now. Send. See, send Outlook. Once in your machine the Outlook is configured, then use that send Outlook mail message is the activity. And then if there is no Outlook, then use that send SMTP mail message is the activity. Okay. See, send SMTP mail message is the activity. Observe this one. If you are using that Outlook at that time, so go to that properties. In this one, simply give that body and subject, and then whatever the mail account, so that means sender mail, just you have to add it here. And then after that, see, finally, you can add that to address. You can add that to address. We can add that to address. Okay. See, once if you go to that SMTP, once if you use that, in case if you are using that any other web mails, okay, other web mails. So at that time, we have to use that send SMTP mail message is the activity. Once if you want to use this one, just we have to add that so more information that is called as webmail port number, server name, and then webmail sender mail ID, and then that password that we have to enter it here. And after that, see, add that to address. See, based on this port number and server name, it will be identify that mail server, and then based on that, so email and password, it will be log on to that sender account, and then send the mail to that So receiver. Okay. See, right now I want to automate the Gmail. Right now I want to show you. Just I want to go to that. See. Click on that another account. Password is see. So I have logged on to this account. So if you want to um, send that mails and read that mails, first of all, that mail, that means mail server also must be allow that robot to log on to that mail account. Okay, that mail server also must be allow that robot to log on to that account. But every webmail having their own, every webmail having their own so security settings. Okay, the security settings not allowing that robot to log on to that mail account. Okay, they never allowed that robot to log on to that mail account. So to avoid that one, just we have to disable that security settings. Right now, click on that. So click on that. Um, Click on that manage your Google account. Click on that your manage Google account, and then click on the security. Click on the security. Observe this one here. So use your phone to sign in. This is off. Two-step verification is also off. It must be off. So right now, less secure app access. Right now it is turn off. Just we have to click on the turn on. So click here, turn on. Okay, right now turn on. Once if you turn on that one, automatically you will get one message. See, critical security alert. Access for less secure app settings has been turned on. See, for example, if you are trying to log on to that any other so system itself, automatically the Gmail will send the notification to you, right? See, because there is a security settings are there. That security settings is never allow that other persons from that any other account itself. Okay. See, in the same way right now. So if your bot wants to try to log on to that account also, it will be never allow that one. So that's why I have disabled that security settings. Right now, I have disabled that security settings. I have disabled that security settings. Right now, observe this one. After disable the security settings, no need to open your Gmail account. This point remind. So first of all, you have to remind this point. No need to open your Gmail account. Simply you can log out. See, bot only logically it will be log on to that your Gmail account and then send the mails and then read the mails. In the same way, Outlook also same like that. Okay. So right now, observe this one. So my explanation purpose, I'm not closing this Gmail account, but in your practice, just you have to sign out this account. Okay. Right now, observe this. So I'm using that send SMTP. Right now, my to address, that means sender is called as Srikar. Okay. Sender is called as Srikar. Copy this one. See, go to the properties. In this properties, first of all, I want to add that body. Body is called as test. Subject also, I'm writing the test. Okay. See, port number. Actually, Gmail sending sending port number is called as 465. So where exactly we'll get that port number also, I will show you in tomorrow class. Okay. See, Gmail port number is, observe this one. This is the integer type, right? So 465 is the port number. 465 port number. Click on that OK. Server name is called as pop.gmail.com. See, so my sender account is called as okay, Srikar. So this is the my sender account. Click on that OK. And then I want to add the password. So right now the password is called as okay. The password is sorry. KAR @123. Yes. Click on that OK. In case if you want to maintain, if you want to hide that password, then you can use that secure password. Just you can pass that secure string. Okay. See, right now the password is visible right now. Instead of this static value, you can pass that variable also. Okay. See, right now I have directly passed that. So password. Right now I want to give that to address. To address is called as my account. See, @gmail.com. Okay. Observe this one. Right now, see, from this Srekar account itself, I want to send one mail to that Arjun mail account. Okay. Right now, I will execute it. Whether it is successfully send that mail or not, I want to check it. Okay. So at the time of this automation, email automation, no need to open your Gmail account. This point, just you have to remind it. Right now, click here, run the file. See, successfully send that mail. I will check it. See, go to that send mail. See, send that test message. Go to that my inbox. Srikar itself, I got a mail. Okay. Right now, successfully I have sent that mail. Okay. Right now, see, save as email to. Email to. In this mail body, I want to write that more text. in this mail body, I want to write that more text. This time, see, directly go to the properties, go to that body. We can write the text in two ways. One is directly we can write the text. Okay, then otherwise we can use that HTML codes. Right now I will show you. Hi, Ram. I have see double quotes. Hi Ram. I have regards. This is the text. This is the body of the text. See, right now I want to add that both sender and receiver is same. Okay, so that's why I don't like to go every time to my Gmail account. So that's why Control C. Right now the sender and receiver is same. Click here. It will be send the mail to that same account right now. Click here. Run this file. See, go to that inbox. Observe this one. Here, the body of the content completely is in single line, but I want to add it to the separate lines. So this time, see, go to this one, go to the properties. In this body, click here. Simply, we can press that enter. See, directly I have pressed that enter and then in separate lines arranged the text. Click on that OK. Click here, run this file. Observe this one. See, the text arranged in separate lines. So right now here there is no logic. Okay, but sometimes based on your logically that if you want to arrange the data in separate lines, see at that time, see observe this one. We have to use that HTML tags. Observe this. In this body, see Right now, click here, run this file. Right now, it is a single line again. Okay. So right now, based on the requirement, I want to arrange the text logically. Right now, go to the properties. So if you want to arrange that text in separate lines, we can use that HTML tags. So is body HTML. Is body HTML is the one property. Enable this one. Enable that property. Right now, go to the properties. In this property, go see in body. I want to use that HTML tags. There is a BR is the tag, line break tag. So I want to use that BR tag to arrange the text in separate lines. Control C. I want to add the 2 lines. Again, I want to add that again 1 line. I want to add that 2 lines. After that, I want to add that only 1 line. So that's why I given only 1 line break. Click on that OK. Right now, click here, run this file. Observe this one. Go to that inbox. Successfully arranged the text in separate lines by using that BR tag. So that is a line break tag. So that's why it will feed that line. Okay. See, sometimes in our mail body, so I want to add some, based on the requirement, I want to add that one table. The table type of data, I have to send it to that customer. So from that mail itself. Okay. This time I will show you one more example. Save as. See, I want to add simple table right now. Here I have a table, right? So already created. Once if I execute, I'm getting the table like this. Okay, like this here. See, this table I want to add it in my mail body and send it to the customer. So right now, see, go to that body, See, observe this one. Here I will add that two more line breaks, BR, and then BR. Okay. Right now, just I want to add that plus operator and then double quotes. In that one, I will add this HTML codes. Okay. So after copy paste that one, actually this HTML tags we have to write it. So, but I have simply taken one table and by copying that W3C schools itself. Okay. But after pasting that whatever that HTML codes, still it is showing that error. Okay, that means you have to arrange the text in completely in a single line. Okay, see here I want to remove that style. I want to add that border equals to single quotes 1. Okay, see what are that code in separate lines, all the that means entire the code must be arranged in a single line. Okay, so right now say observe this one. Don't write the HTML tags in separate lines. See, after add, that means adding that all the tags in a single line, automatically the error, so the validation error gone here. Okay, there is no validation error right now. Right now, click on that. Okay, observe this one. I will check it. Click here, run this file. See, go to that inbox. Observe this one. Here, I have added the table in that mail body. I have added the table in that mail body. Okay, see, based on the requirement, so I have to add an attachment. That attachments we have to send it to that attachment we have to send it to that process owner or customer. Right now, see, click here, save as. Click on that attachments. Right now, in my F drive. I want to create one sample XLSX file. So I have created Microsoft Excel workbook. Click on that attach files. Click here. I want to add that file path. Double quotes, F:/sample dot XLSX. Okay. The direction is in as usual. Okay. Type is called as string. Then this is called as a path. Right now, click on that OK. Click here. Run this file. See, hi Ram, I have successfully completed my task. Okay. See, sample.xlsx. That file attached to the mail. Okay. And then send it. If you want to add that more than one attachments, again click on this one. Just you have to click on that another argument and then pass that file path. That is enough. Right now, I'm not adding anything right now. Do you have any doubts right now? Abhinav?
No, sir.
See, shall I give
At a time, more than one we have to say.
yes, we
Only
can
one.
add that more than one.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Can we use CSS in this?
Please.
We can use CSS.
Can you?
CSS.
Actually, the CSS purpose, we have another activities are there. Okay. See. See, observe this one. See, observe this one. See, the PQRS is called as a sender. Okay, your bot log on to this sender account. Okay, from this sender mail itself, you have to send the mails along with see, customer name and then and subject and then what are the body and then these are the sender, that means receiver mails. See, here we have only one sender. This sender send that mails to these three customers, XYZ1, XYZ2, XYZ3. So in the subject, you have to write that PQRS and then the first person. And then second person purpose, you have to use that MNR and then so RST and then body is called as something, whatever given. Okay. See, this is a simple use case. Can you automate it? This is the simple use case. You people try to automate this one. Okay. See, this is a simple use case. Try to implement it. And today only we have discussed about that how to send that mails. Okay. But so what are that? Some mails are available in that inbox and how to read the mails, how to download that attachments. So then, so that I will discuss it tomorrow. Okay. See, so in last class, I think